What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. Oh my god, look at my hair. Look at my hair, bruh. So long right now. I need a haircut. My hair giving me like, put tonight over again. I don't even know the lyrics. God damn it. Good, y'all. It's your boy JRE from the YouTube channel JREKML. Your boy OG still doing it in the game. Shout out to all you that are still here watching me. God damn. We're about to check out BM Freak. Listen, I already know he a freak. God damn. Big Matthew. Bartholomew, what you freaking about? We got BI in the building. He probably a freak too. I'm just letting y'all know. But without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Play my intro. Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Alright, y'all better check out my Patreon. We've been checking out the ISAC. Is it the Idols, Stars, Athletics Championships? I think that's what it is. We just saw people be shooting. We saw P1 Harmony be shooting. Pop, pop, pop. What? You got this. You got this, Kyo. Ah, good try, good try, good try, good try. Go check it out. Be sure to support your boy on the Patreon. And without further ado, let's get into this. Let's see what's freaky. Oh. What the hell did I say? Damn, okay, Zoro. Okay. That's some freaky hotel shit. Third floor. Oh shit. Oh, he looking extra ripped. Damn, boy. It's tragedy. Oh, okay, cherries. Hey, 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 hey. Come watch my. Oh, yeah, all right. I can already see this. I need to see this. I need to see this live, bro. I need to see yo live shows, bro. The one with no cameras. He bounced that shit. Okay. Oh. I knew he a freaky boy. He been a freaky boy. This is a fire collab. Oh, I like the vibe of the set too. Yo, why don't got no girls? He need some girls, you know what I'm saying? He need some people around him. Unless there's like a contract clause, like he can't have other people around him. Hey, hey. I saw him at Water Bomb. He be getting it. Damn, them pants go crazy, BM. What, the DPR? Oh, she fine. Okay, what you shooting at? Okay, smile at him. Okay, close up. What the hell? Okay, kissing to the camera. Damn, she really kissed the camera. Dang, she got yo.
Bring it back.
Ah, okay, wait, hold on. Oh, shit. Hey, man, I need to get like you. I need to get like buff ripped like you, my guy. Hey, hey. Oh, he performing. Okay, then he did you dirty. Oh, she out freaked them though. She out freaked them. Hold up, run that back. Hold up, bro. It said, oh, I like that. Directed by who? Wait, what did it say? Ah, not for sale. Not for sale. Directed by Julie YL. Reception. All right. Dang. Those hotels look like they smell musty. Hotel? What hotel? 609? 69? Gently come in. Period. don't know why I said that.
Stepping in the party, poppin' Bacardi, about to get naughty. Look a little shorty, body a shanty, wrist neck frosty.
Ooh.
Them the lights don't low.
Ooh.
Show me love.
Hey, 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 hey.
Tell me what you go.
Where we going? I mean, not me and BM. I mean, like, I'm hyping it up. Okay.
Moving in all these ways I ain't seen. No combo, let your body speak. Booty talking to me, make it real hard to disagree.
Yeah. Hey, hey. What we doing with it? Ah, ah. Damn. Who this girl? Come match my freak is crazy. What's your freak? BM, what's your freak? What's your freak, BM? Is it green hair dye? Is that your freak? Hey, some people be out freaking people though. I'm real talk. That's the freakiest one right here. That's the freakiest one right here. I bet. Bet money. B.I. the freakiest one right here. Not Hey, hey, hey. Lighting is fire in here. That pants is crazy, BM. Those are the type of pants you just wear one time and bounce. Oh, that vest too, bro. You do look like a little Zorro. Definitely the inspiration. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, good editing too. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 3, 2, 1. I like this shit. I like this change of pace. I don't know how other people feel about that, but I like the slowing down. This is really outside? Damn, she really smooched the camera. Okay, lips. He got fucked up. Freak me. That's fire. Hey, and the dance is dope. Hey, shout out to the dancers too. Shout out to the girl as well. I don't know if she's a dancer, but she lit. She lit. Yeah. Come match my. Let's go. Hey, shout out to everybody that worked on it. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody. Sheesh. All right, y'all. Put a comments down below what you guys think of BM Freak featuring B.I., who I think is the biggest freak out here in this video. I think, listen, it's always the quiet ones. It's always the quiet ones. But put a comments down below what you guys think of BM's Freak. How'd you like the music video? What do you think of the song? Let me know. Give me your opinions in the comments down below. All right, y'all. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy, Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream. Believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out the Patreon, y'all. Check out the Patreon.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.